We are Hindu, sir. We are a believer. But we, same time, we are respecting the faith of other religions also. That is the basic principle. You want this bill is specialized for Maharashtra, Haryana election. Yes. This bill is specialized. But you don't understand that. Last time, people of India clearly taught a lesson to you. This type of divisive politics, India people will not going to buy now. Now again you are trying to experiment that bill. Sir, againly, this is an attack on federal system also. This is a clear attack on federal system also. Waqf properties, there is actually the nitty-gritty of the things dealing by the states, rules, and the data collection, everything. This bill is take away all the data collection to the central side. There attack on constitutional freedom of religion, attack on federal system. Answer 3, sir. Basically the 3. Sir, clearly, Waqf by use. There is a concept of Waqf by use. You see that near Delhi Parliament, there is a mosque, more than 200 years old mosque. Nobody knows that how it became, what was actually the property deed of that mosque itself. You are removing the clause of Waqf by use through this amendment. That means there is going to be a dispute in each and every mosque where there is no deed. What will be the happen? Your fundamental idea is to create conflict and create the anger between the communities and make violence everywhere. Okay, I can understand if you want a prospective bill on this cross. There is still be justification. Retrospectively, you are taking over all the pilgrim centers which have no deed. There were traditional it is one. My point is every legislation, there should be a motive of, there should be an intention of well-being. That is what we are witnessing. That should come from the heart. Every legislation has to come from the ruler's duty is to make the decision which come from the heart. Now you are ill motive to divide the people of this country. That is why we bring the bill. Therefore, we are totally objecting the bill. This bill cannot be passed, sir. This bill cannot be introduced, sir.
Shri Mohi Bulla.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जनाब सदर, मैं आपकी तवज्जो इस तरफ चाहता हूँ आपके माध्यम से कि मैं वाहिद आदमी हूँ इस सदन में जिसमें वन मैन कमेटी आपके द्वारा बनाई गई सरकार के, और मैं उसमें पेश हुआ 123 प्रॉपर्टी में। जस्टिस आर्यन ने जो रिपोर्ट पेश की, आज तक वक्फ बोर्ड को नहीं बताया गया, चूंकि वो आपकी मंशा के खिलाफ थी और गवर्नमेंट की मंशा के मुताबिक नहीं थी। 123 प्रॉपर्टी में जब मंशा के खिलाफ हमारे नहीं आई, मंशा के मुताबिक नहीं आई, तो हमने 2 मैन कमेटी बनाई और 2 मैन कमेटी ने भी कोई रिपोर्ट वक्फ बोर्ड को नहीं दी, जबकि वक्फ एक्ट जो है 1995 जो है वो पार्लियामेंट से पास शुदा है कि हम पार्लियामेंट के जो एहतराम है उसका नहीं कर रहे, उसके हुकूक का। इसी तरह से सर सूबाई हुकूमतों को इख्तियार दिया गया। सर हिंदू एंडोमेंट में जो कर्नाटका और तमिलनाडु में है वहां कोई मुस्लिम नहीं हो सकता, और 26 में आर्टिकल 26 का वायोलेशन है। 4 धाम में ये लिखा हुआ वाज़े तौर पर कि सिर्फ हिंदू होगा। बिहार उड़ीसा में भी यही लिखा हुआ है। पंजाब हरियाणा में गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी में सिर्फ सिख होगा ओनली, और ये उनका अधिकार है जिसको माना गया है। लेकिन मुस्लिम के साथ में यह अन्याय क्यों है? और सुन लीजिए